Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make party starter. The name of the recipe is deviled eggs. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. Let's get started and look at the ingredients first. 5 boiled eggs, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1½ teaspoon mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon grated cheese, 1 teaspoon mustard paste, 1 green chilli finely chopped, 1 small onion finely chopped and coriander leaves. First we will cut the eggs in 2 parts lengthwise. Now we will remove egg yolks gently. Now we will mash the yolk with the help of fork. Now in this add salt, mayonnaise, cheese, mustard paste, black pepper powder, onion, green chilies and coriander and mix well and make a fine paste. Now put this paste in Ziploc bag and put one by one over all the whites of the eggs. Now we'll sprinkle red chili powder, little coriander and little ketchup over it. Yummy and delicious deviled eggs are ready to serve. If you have liked my recipe and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many more interesting and tasty recipes. Till then, take very good care of yourself and your family. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.